Welcome back. You are looking at Upwork.com, and we are looking at converting our content from both audio and video into text. And Upwork is a site where you can find people that will be willing to do your transcription for a price. In some cases, you may find a more affordable rate by looking at individuals on Fiverr. Now, as you can see, the sort will be done here by either relevance, best-selling, or newest arrivals. So you may want to choose best-selling so that you'll find out which individuals have the most repeat customers. And of course, if you do a simple search, you'll be able to find a number of service providers that are willing to provide transcription at varying rates. Now, another alternative is to use software, and there's software available such as Dragon Naturally Speaking, as well as some online software that will take your file and it will attempt to create a transcription for you. Now, you are going to have to go back and then work with the document to make sure that it is accurate, but it is another way for you to be able to have transcription done. Now, when you start to generate profit with your interview show, this is going to be one of the first expenses that you're going to want to put into place, and you're going to want to find the one that works the best. So while you're waiting for your show to be profitable, you'll want to test different services so you'll see which one best fits into the way you do your interviews. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. You're looking at the inside of the WordPress post created with your podcast player. And one of the things that you can do to get more people to see and hear your interviews is to make your content findable. Now, without spending a great deal of time working on SEO, without working on your content, there are some things that you can do. The first is you can make sure that your title is keyword relevant. So you want to make sure to use keywords that you know people are searching for. So you want to make sure to use keywords that you know people are searching for. You can also use relevant tags that you know people are searching for. Again, you're going to use keywords in this area. You can do the same thing in your YouTube description. You want to make sure that your title as well as your description, that they're all keyword rich and they all point to the things that people are really looking for. And you want to do that very same thing by writing in tags that you know people are looking for. And in YouTube, it works a little different than you might see elsewhere. You're going to write in the keyword, and once you've written in the keyword, you're going to put in a comma, and what that'll do is then that will create the tag. So in order to create another tag, you'll write in the phrase. Once you've written it in, you'll put a comma there, and then that will put your tag in, and then you want to save the changes. So making sure that your title, your description, and that your tags are keyword rich, that's something that's very easy to do without spending a lot of time working on SEO. Now, one other thing that you can do is you can use document sharing sites. So for example, if you have a PowerPoint presentation of what your interview is about, you can load that presentation into slideshare.net and then link back to your site at that particular post. Now again, you would want to do this consistently, and you'd want to do this with each and every post. Now, there are a number of document sharing sites in addition to SlideShare where you can share PDFs, Word documents, Google documents, and other forms of your content where you can point back to your website for a particular episode. And you'll be able to get all of those documents, and you can find all of those sites through the reference section of this video. And once again, this is going to be a process that you will want to document, you'll want to map out while you are building your profitability. And then once your show is profitable, this is something that you'll want to turn over to your virtual assistant. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.